feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
Real quick guys, today I am going to just share with you guys this powerful spike catching strategy that you are seeing right now on my screen. As you can see what is going on right now here. All right, so this is how I've been using this to catch multiple spikes. And if you just do yourself that favor and follow my instructions properly, you are going to make a lot of money. And one more thing before you dive into this, I am going to walk you through on how I supposed to have closed this particular position that you are seeing right now. I'm supposed to have closed this particular position, but I just laid this position wrong because I want to let you guys know that this is actually working. All right, so with that being said guys, let's dive fully into the video. Let me walk you through on how this strategy, this powerful spikes catching strategy works. All right, so also before we dive fully into the video, if you are getting value from all my content, be sure to smash that like button. It's very, very important for me. And also be sure to smash that subscribe button, because I realize that most of you that are watching my videos are not my subscribers. So I will urge you guys to do me that favor and smash that subscribe button. It will not take anything away from you. And just to appreciate the the value of the content I've been giving to you guys here. All right, so with that being said guys, let's dive fully into the video. Let me walk you through on how you are going to use this strategy to catch multiple spikes. All right, so and the first thing you need to do, the requirement that we need here is just simple. All right, if you have been following my spikes catching strategies, you'll be able to understand the rules. And if you are just coming across my videos for the first time, let me refresh the rules once again. This is how the rules works. Whenever this though I've not shared this particular strategy with anybody, but the rules that I'm talking about is among the the requirements that we are going to be needing here for us to make a lot of money catching multiple spikes with this strategy. Now the way this strategy works is this: whenever this particular line that you're seeing here, which is our moving average, whenever this moving average gets to this our ADX here, and also you can see this here, all right, you can see this level 8 here. All right, so whenever this moving average gets to crosses this our level 8 and touches this our ADX line, that is when we are going to open our position for this is boom 1000 anyway. All right, so you are going to use this strategy on boom 1000 and crash 1000. All right, so now whenever this particular requirements are met, like this our moving average within this our ADX line touches this our ADX line here. All right, this moving average inside our ADX, whenever it touches this ADX line and crosses this our level 8 here, that is when you are going to open your multiple positions. And how or when you are going to open those multiple positions are when this particular requirement here is met. When you click on this our quote here, that is the rules that I was talking about. When you click on this particular place and you find out, for instance, for the sake of this recording, we are using boom 1000, as you can see it here, and this is 1 minute time frame. You see everything clear. So when it comes to this quote here, and then you find out that this particular boom 1000 that we are trading right now is showing you this blue percentage here as usual. That is when you get back to this place here, you are going to stack this place with multiple position, as many positions as your account can carry. All right, so that is when, because it's going to definitely spike heavily. But once you get to this our quote here, here, and you spot something like this. All right, you spot that this our boom 1000, for instance, is showing this red percentage here. That is to show you that this particular boom is respecting the default movements of it. All right, so you are not going to open multiple positions. Rather, you are going to open only one position to watch out for what is going to happen, which you can attest to that here. You see what I did here. All right, so I open only one position, and as soon as it gets to our requirements here, he definitely respected that our decision, our instruction, the requirements, or the market respected our decision and our requirements for our instruction, sorry, whereby we gave to this indicator that whenever these requirements are met here, that this market should reverse, and that is exactly what happened. And we are not giving the market order. All right, so already we are looking at this as oversold. All right, so when this market from this zone gets to this zone here, that is the requirement that we are talking about. Without this without the sake of recording this particular video, and just to show you guys the proof of how this works, I would have closed this position by now. All right, when this particular position spiked with one standard that I used, when it spiked, I made over $17. All right, so, and I've been making this since morning. All right, so this is just awesome, guys. So if you love content like this, just as I said earlier on, be sure to smash that like button, because this is the only way that you're going to help others that are searching for valuable content like this, to enable them locate this particular video and watch it and help themselves out. All right, so by so doing, YouTube also is going to pop this video up to others that are searching for content or for strategy like this. All right, so this is a free content that whereby you do not have to pay a dime to get this. All you just need to do is for you to follow my instructions properly, and I am going to share the settings with you guys so that you'll be able to set your screen this way. And that's just how it is, guys. And also one more thing that I want you guys to really be paying attention to is this particular quote here. All right, if you really want to be making a lot of money catching spikes on boom and crash, this is the secret that I've discovered, which I've shared with you guys for several times. And if you guys have been following that, you will know that you have been killing the market with this. All right, so that is how you are going to be making a lot of money when trading boom and crash, especially on spikes. All right, so now with what I explained to you guys here, once you check this information here and all these particular quotes or this percentage that you are seeing here, for instance, this particular video is showing the default movement of boom, which is sell. All right, so I just took the risk of opening this position due to our requirements was met here. So that was the reason I opened this position, and I also made money from it. All right, so whenever these requirements are met, once you open your position, do not forget to follow those instructions. If it is showing us blue percentage, which indicates that the market is buying, that is to say, once you get to this place, once boom gets to this level here and meet up our requirements here, you're going to open multiple positions, as I said earlier on. But if it's showing us red, which is it is respecting the default movement, it means once the requirements are met, you are going to open only one position, and once it spikes, you are going to get out of that position and you wait for another opportunity. All right, so that is how this strategy really works. And if you are getting value from this particular video, as I said earlier on, do not forget to smash that like button. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. It's very important for this channel to grow as well. All right, so now I'm going to walk you through on how to set your screen exactly the way you're seeing it right here. All right, so also do not forget to use the number in the description of this video if you want me to mentor you on how to be getting these signals free of charge on your own. All right, so I am going to charge you. Why I'm charging you is the fact that you need to pay very close attention to what I am teaching you. All right, so do not come to my DM and think that mentorship programs are for free. It is a paid service. All right, so now you click on this particular place here. Once you click there, I'm going to disclose this. You first indicator that I'm going to add is our ADX. I'm going to open the settings. Now look at this here. All right, this is the settings, guys. This is the settings here. All right, you can see the settings here. The period is 92. The only one that you are going to this particular style here, you are going to leave it at 1 pixel and the color of your background. So but this particular tool, you are going to use the color of your choice, just as you are seeing it right now on my screen. You're going to use the color of your choice. I used blue and red. You're going to use the color of your choice, and this particular place here, you're going to set the levels. All right, the levels, which you can see 92 and 8 here. So once after setting this up, you click done, then you go back to this F icon there, then you click on this indicator window 1 here. All right, so we click on this indicator window 1, you are going to add this moving average to your indicator window 1, and the period is 5, shift is 0, method simple, apply to close. Styles again, you can see the color that I used pink here, so you can use color of your choice. You click done. That is exactly what you are going to see here. So that is how you are going to set your screen, and that is how you are going to make use of this strategy to kill this market and make a lot of money from it. So also, as I said earlier on, I am going to leave the link to my books in the description of this video as well. Be sure to grab the copy of those books and go through it and see how those books is going to help you out and make a lot of money. I am not going to explain everything here on YouTube, so it's very, very important for you to grab the copy of those books and go through it. It's going to help you and assist you on how to place a trade as well. And also before I end this video, I'm going to make this announcement once again. Someone or some group of people are using my logo and my name and everything to scam people. All right, do not fall victim for that. If you cannot see my number is always in the description of this video, and my email address is still in the description of this video. So do not fall victim of giving money to anybody. I do not manage accounts. All right, I do not do account management, so be aware of scammers that are using my name and everything to scam you guys. So always know that I can never request that you send money to me. You can only send money to me when I am enrolling or when I am mentoring you. That is only when you are paying for your fees, and that fees that you are paying is just for your mentorship program for you to sit up. All right, you are not helping me with the money, you are not dashing me money or giving me money. I am not begging you for money. I'm making a lot of money from the market already. So just be sure to keep your head straight and do not fall victim of the scammers. So that is just how it is, guys. As I said earlier on, I'm going to leave the link, the WhatsApp number in the description of this particular video that you are watching right now. All right, so if the number that asks you to contact him or her is does not end with my number, do not send any message to that person. All right, so that is how it is. So that is it, guys. Signing out. Who Peace.